exclusive and very good stress ball. It is the best. It's not broken or anything. I don't think it will. It's also legendary. So, anyone want to offer for it? Ooh, that girl has an exclusive stress ball. I think I'm gonna try and scam her because she's a scammer, so that's a bad thing, but good thing too. Hey, could I offer for that stress ball? I really want it. Okay. You better have something real nice. Guys, I'm gonna start off with the puppet, the best thing ever. Okay. I'll add my orange puppet. And you want me to, I want you to add. Guys, that's the girl. Those guys, those people, they act like children over all of these new fidgets. Okay, I'll add in this. It's really good. And my other cool red exclusive legendary and glow in the dark red puppet. It's red because it glows black and all of your favorite colors in this. Will you accept my girl? What? No, that. Yes, I'll accept. Here. I thought she was gonna add. Let it go. Girl, I want to tell you something. Better be quick, because I really want the puppets. And that thing. Well, I actually having no trade backs. And, are you okay with it? Duh, as long as it's good, bro. Yeah, I will. Good. Because get scammed. Scammer. Wait, what? No, get my Fidget. When the girl's screaming over there. What? No. Okay, I'm actually gonna trade my stress ball.
Hello.
Trading my blue stress ball, it's actually good. Going once, going twice, and it's not legendary, it's uncommon. Going twice, going 3 times, going 4 times, going 5 times. Ooh, can I offer for that? Sure, what will your offer be? Okay, let me see. My offer will be, this, a jelly thing, and this bead. If you have any poppets, if you don't have one, I could just add a poppet in. I'm totally fine with it. I really want the bead, but I really like this. So could you add like two things, or like one small thing? Okay, since I'm very nice, I'll add 2 big things. These 2 puppets! No, the heck way, I'll accept. But are you sure? Are you really sure? Duh. Wait, hold up. Okay, now I'm perfectly sure. I have this in here now, so it won't fall down. Sure, here you go. Whoa, thanks. Here you go. Thank you very much, sir. Ooh, this feels really nice. And I'm gonna do the marble game. No. Plot twist! It's a bead, not a marble. Okay, there you go. Number 39. Wait, no. That's 27. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 1, 2, 3, 3. Oh, I guess 27 is 23. Ooh. Anyone. So I'm gonna do the marble game, but with some people. I'm gonna have to say. Okay. Who wants to trade my puppet or do the marble game? Raise your hand if you want to do the marble game. Going once, going twice. Ooh, me. No, me. I did it first, and I did it second. Yeah, so it's me. Oh, fine. What happens if you win? Yeah, what happens? You'll win a free fidget, and that fidget is a stress ball. you'll get to feel it. And if you want it, you can join in the marble game. Here you go. Thanks. First squish. Oh my gosh, this is so good. Oh my gosh. Here. 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 Thank you. Oh yeah, it feels good. Here you go. Thanks. Here you go. Thank you. It will be right there. What will you be your number? My number? I know. Number 15. All right. Here it is. Number 15. 3, 6, 9, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. Okay, so I actually passed your number and I really want to know where the thing is. So I'm sorry but you lost. Try again tomorrow. And so you could win another free fidget. Darn it. Okay. Yes, it's my turn.
Mommy.
Okay, let's see. 28. Good number. Wait, let me see. Okay, there it is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. You won this new free fidget. Here you go. Yeah! Oh my god! Yes! I got this! Bye! Thanks so much! Okay, that was a weird scream, but I'm glad. Okay, raise your hand if you want to trade this puppet. Never mind. I want to have a free fidget. Let's do the marble game. Who wants to do the marble game? Me! No, me. No, me. No, it's me. It's me. No, it's definitely me. I'm famous and fancy. I'll do it. But I said it. Oh, fine. You go first, and then you, and then me. Sounds fair enough. Hello, can I do the marble game? Sure. What will your number be? Samantha. Samantha? What will your number be? Let me see. 17. How about that? Sure. Number 17. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Hold up. Wait a minute. Did I do something wrong? Yeah. This is 17. Sorry, but you lost. It's right here. Anyways, I'm sorry. Bye. After all of the people that wanted to do the marble game. That was hard. Okay, now I'm gonna do another thing tomorrow and see if they can figure this out and they could win another new fidget. The man with a beard won a puppet, and that's like, I'm happy for them. Though, I'm gonna sleep now. In the morning when I'm doing a game. Okay, whoever can guess where the bead is, you can win a free banana stress ball. Notice can easily be fixed, and it is really clean. Hands up if you want to guess where where the bead is, and you'll get this free fidget, or you could trade my puppet. First, who wants to do guess the bead game? Me. I do. I do too. I'll be last, but yeah, I do it too. Good. Okay. You first close your eyes or turn away. Huh? Okay. Are you ready? No, it hasn't been 2 seconds yet, but okay. Let's see, okay, I'm done. Okay. Oh, let me see. Okay, I'm guessing right now. I'm guessing right here. Oh no, I haven't. Remember, you get three tries. That's your first one. Okay, I'm just gonna guess this. No! Second run. Only one more to go. Okay. No, I lost. Oh, sorry. Bye. But hope you can trade my pop-in next time or win this game. I'm still using these. Bye. Bye, I guess. Next. Me? Oh, yeah, okay. I'll turn away. Okay. But the bead is in here. And, like, yeah. Oh, no, just poke that. Okay, let me do this. Okay, you can turn back now. Toot, toot. Okay. This, no, this, no, this. Bye. That was quick. Your turn. Finally. Aw. Hey, you can't do that. Why would you do that? Okay, I'm gonna have to ban you for playing this. Guess where the beat is, ma'am. Oh, yeah, sure. Camera alert! Oh, no, this is mine. No, this is mine. I already got it. Oh, you're going to be in so much trouble, ma'am. I'm going to have to ban you. Goodbye. Okay, run away. Bye. That was weird. Anyways, the bead was over here. Does anyone want to trade me for these 3 fidgets? Going once, going... Can I guess where the bead is so I can win those 2 prizes? Ma'am, guess where the bead game is actually closed right now because someone just got banned and tried to steal this banana chess ball. And yeah, since I've covered it now, you cannot trade the banana chess ball unless you are wearing a glove, wearing a mask, and have hand sanitizer on your hands right now. Of course, it's going to be under the glove, though. So, you could trade these 2. No, I'm getting a wacky track. Okay, well, guess I got her out. She's actually a scammer, that's why I got her. So, who wants to do? Guess where the bead game is? Boop. No. Okay. Who wants to do the bead game? Me too. I guess I'll go last. Okay. You first, miss. What number?
Lakas tama. Ako'y walang magagawa. Anak ko, lakas kain naman pala.
15. Okay. Also, by the way, you're gonna win this pack and a free gobby ball. Since you already got it, I'm gonna do it again. And remember, it's for free. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. I'm afraid you didn't get it. 21, 22, 23. Oh, it's 23, like with the last one. But anyways, you can't have this. Darn it. Okay, bye. My turn. 28. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. Sir, 28 is the last one, and I'm afraid you cannot have that number too. Because it seems no fair if we go right here. Anyways, you cannot have this. No! Well, I guess it's my turn. Let me see. How about 17? Sure, I guess. Okay, 17. Hopefully you get it right, ma'am. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. It's 18. You were so close. Oh, wait. Did you said 18? 17, please. Oh, you said 17. Oh. Well, just to be kind, I'm only going to give you this golf ball and this and my puppet. Because I'm getting a new wacky track tomorrow and I really want it. Yeah! Warning, I'm not really getting a real wacky track tomorrow. Bye guys, I hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe. Bye.